times are hard, I know, and getting colder, so I need to shelter you from the cold. It's for real though. I ain't got time to waste, time and money the same. If you ain't for love, you better let me know. Right now you be waking, the love we be making, you better not fake it, just let me know. 'Cause times are darker, you know, and getting colder, so I got what you need to shelter you from the cold. All my time they go, no time for all the wayo. 'Cause I ain't joking, you're the only one. And I'm being open, my heart's be haunted by you're the one. My thoughts be haunted by your. You want me go. Girl, we be rolling me my black and yellow. Good vibe, chop life, be the gold. You ain't gon' like a thing on my own. And ain't nobody come between us. I just blow. Only Michael let them know. That's for sure.
In Fulton, Missouri, 1946, a statesman rose with words to fix. Churchill's voice, strong and clear, warned of a shadow drawing near. The iron curtain, he said, had fallen from stand to tree as say Europe was calling. A line drawn across the continent, his words around the world were sent. Soviet shadow spreading wide, freedom and tyranny side by side. Special relationship he did implore between Britain and America's shore. The iron curtain, he said, had fallen from stand to tree as say Europe was calling. A line drawn across the continent, his words around the world were sent. His words rang out, a clarion call. The Cold War's beginning, felt by all. East and West divided clean. The world changed as if in a dream. Berlin Wall rose, proving him right. Two worlds locked in ideological fight. For decades long his speech held true, until '89, when the curtain withdrew. The Iron Curtain he first named in Fulton's halls, history proclaimed. Churchill's foresight, clear and bold, shaped the world as it would unfold.
It's not the first time and it won't be the last. I told my truth and now you're in the past. It's such a catch that you ruined your life by your actions and not by mine. You're just a bully with a headstrong game, and everybody's gonna know you're lame. You think you're slick, but now your hands are tied, so you can't hurt anymore with all your lies. Ooh, truth always comes out in the end. Ooh, I never fell for your little games. And guess what? I'm the star witness now. I'm gonna take you down. I'm gonna take you down. And guess what? I'm the star witness now. I'm gonna take you down. I'm gonna take you down. I bet you never thought it would be me. You think I'm super quiet and naive, but I've been down the same road before. I do it all again and then some more. See, all I did was ring the alarm, but they already had you on their watch. They seem to look past all that charm, 'cause after one more strike, well, now you're caught. Ooh, truth always comes out in the end. Ooh, oh, never fell for your little games. Guess what? I'm the star
the lift that I need. You show me how to escape from reality. Some people find a vein of gold in their brain and mine until death. I complain and spot them in vain, 'cause their life I obsess. And I could be alright, but I'm stuck in this hell, trying to find a way out. It's like climbing a well, but you brought me up, gave me all the lift that I need. You showed me how to escape from reality. Why do I get this pain when anxiety bangs right on my chest? When life's a mess, ridden with stress, it's hard to let go. And I could be alright, but I'm stuck in this hell, trying to find a way out. It's like climbing a well, but you brought me up, gave me all the lift that I need. You showed me how to escape from reality. I could be alright, but I'm stuck in this hell, trying to find a way out. It's like climbing a well, but you
Link to the beast that naps. Lizards cry for forgotten time, and the frog sings with a shy caress. Now I'm going to the party in the kingdom of the sun. In the woods, silence keeps. The beast sleeps, its breath is deep. Animals go out as flowers bloom, and I dance under a shining moon. The birds sing ancient melodies, rivers run onto the sea. On the sky of gold and amethyst, I fly away the soul of an artist. Thanks to the beast that naps. Lizards cry for forgotten time, and the frog sings with a shy caress. Now I'm going to the party in the kingdom of the sun. Butterflies dance in the air, fish swim without a care. In this world of brilliant wonders, I find my fears are torn asunder. Sadness and joy intertwine in all the colors